Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how to create a simple JSON using JavaScript. So let's jump into it. And the requirement we have is to create a customer order JSON which can hold a customer name, address, phone number, and few items. So the customer name is of type string and address is of type also a string and phone is of type number, and the item itself is a JSON array, so it can have a multiple items. Okay, so let's create a JSON. So the easiest way to create a JSON is use online tools like I'm using JS Fiddle here. So open your browser and go to the jsfiddle.net, and you will end up with this console, and you can use this online tool for writing JavaScript and HTML and CSS and lot of uses. So let's move to our topic. So let's start with the creating a simple JSON string here. So the string start with the flower bracket. So here we have a flower bracket, and the first thing is customer name. Okay, and let's separate it by a colon, and then we will assign a value. So customer name is, I'm putting my name. So let's, the next thing we have is address. So let's assign address and semicolon and put some address like anything, like I'm putting here Bhopal. And the next thing we have is a phone. Okay, so phone, and assign it any random number. So semicolon, you don't need to use a double quote for number data type, so you can put it like anything here. And the next thing we have is items, followed by array. So array starts with like a square bracket, and we have like first item in the item list array is like put the laptop. Okay, and the next thing like was notepad. Now let's assign and now let's see this action being used. So let's assign it to a JavaScript variable. So variable, so what was the our order, customer order. Okay, so I think it's done. So let's print console.log, and then customer order by doing this, it here, and dot. Let's suppose we want to print a customer name, then dot customer name and home. Yeah, you can see here, see, this is it. So like this you can print all of these values. It's very simple. Like suppose if we want to print address, then simply customer order dot address, and then if we want to print phone number, then customer order dot phone, and then if we want to print items, then customer orders dot items, and then simply run this. See, the customer name, address, and the phone number, and the items array list here. So that's it. For this video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.